Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video, let's talk about how to manage Apple ID account. Now what we can do is we can either go to our PC or anywhere else in terms of using a browser and then going into icloud.apple.com. There you can go ahead and log into your account where you can go ahead and manage your Apple ID. Or you can go ahead and use any of your Apple devices which is connected to your Apple iCloud account. Now what you can go ahead and do is to go ahead and click on your name where it says Apple account, iCloud Plus, and more. This is where all of your iCloud stuff is connected. Now in here, we can go ahead and make a few changes that we want, such as changing personal information like your name and your date of birth or any of that. You can go ahead and look into sign-in and security. You can also take a look at different payment types like payment and shipping. So this is connected to your Apple Wallet, and you can go ahead and look at your subscriptions as well. Now, there are also some available things such as your iCloud, where you can go ahead and pay so that you can use iCloud to store all of your data online. There is also the family section. There is the Find My, where you can go ahead and search for all of your items. So if you have say for example, an AirPod or even like your Mac or your iPad, you can go ahead and find them there, any media purchases that you have, and any sign-in with Apple. Now, if you scroll all the way down, you will get a list of all of your devices which you have signed in with your Apple ID account. And for you to go ahead and manage them, if you say, for example, want to remove one, you can just simply select one right here, and then you can just go ahead and click remove from account if you want to remove it, like so. And there you go. I hope that you have found this video helpful. See you guys next time.